So happy Boxing Day, people. I've decided to come out for a little car meet. There's a meet being held tonight with several clubs. We might put their names in the title later on. We'll see how the meeting goes. See how much blurring I got to do, eh? So I've already missed the first location, but we're over at Wembley sort of direction, northwest London. And this is the second location, and there's cars turning up here. I think we're going to have several like static locations and stuff, and then we're going to hopefully head into central London. But as always, we'll see where the night takes us. Hope you all had a good Christmas, and stay tuned for this video.
Make sure you film me. I've seen you on YouTube.
Well, what are you going to do then?
I'll show you. Keep an eye
Everyone's out tonight. They've had their Christmas, now they're coming out to play. You go, first Christmas tree of the night. Maybe he's taking it back. As you can see, it's filled up really quickly now. So I'd imagine we'll be sitting here half hour, 45 minutes or so, and then we'll be going to the next location. All the noise now. can't keep moving, there's cars everywhere now. I'm just going to stay put where I am. Here come to us eventually. This is what it's all about. Doesn't matter what car you got. Doesn't matter what car you got. Just come in. And he can park that wherever he fucking wants. A few nice cars trying to get in. There's an RS sitting over there. There he comes. Look at that. We've got a nice Audi here, making some noise. I don't know if the location's been dropped, but let's go and have a look on the phone and see what's going on.
Yes, sir.
Hello, mate.
Yeah.
It's a mad one tonight.
Yeah.
We're on the move. I don't know how far we got to go. 10 miles apparently. So let's follow these cars here. We've snuck out the back way, beaten that traffic at the roundabout. Not that I'm excited, I've not been out for a while. Just been too busy filming other stuff. Been all over the place. Just got back from Malta filming out there. Off to Canada soon to do a bit of filming there. So let's get back out and do some street meets for a bit. So if I'm correct, I'm parked right near Throttle Motors. So we've just pulled up on the curb. I don't think we're going to be here for long. This is just a too small location. But down this road here is where Harvey's lockup is. So let's go and see if he's in. Hello, mate. How you doing? You alright?
Yeah, not bad. Very good.
Charles. Right, that was a good drive. That'll be some good footage you've just watched. We're a little way away. I know I've parked round the corner here because it's not worth parking in this area. So we're going to have a little walk. You can see everyone coming in. It'll be absolutely rammed down the back end of this bit. Right, let's spin this round and see who's here. Gridlock, that's why you park out of the way. Out already up into Bond Street, more into central London. So although this is a good location, it seems to be, it was just a quick stop and we're moving on again.
It's like I'm in rehearsal.
everyone's leaving now. There is one more location which I think is more central London, Bond Street, I think. But we're calling it a night. That's going to be it. We're going to head out of here, go and grab something to eat. I'm well overdue a coffee. So I hope you enjoyed the video. It'll probably be out in the new year. So happy New Year anyway, and I'll catch up with you all soon. God bless.